Hi, welcome to this tutorial. We will be learning how to do these little animations here. So let's get started. First, we remove everything but the camera. We go to top view, 7. We will shift A to add, and we will add a grease pencil blank. Now we go to draw mode. Here you can select the tool. I like this one. You can use a tablet if you want. Have in mind that when you are drawing now, the same direction you are drawing will be the direction of the animation. So I will just do a little thing for just to demonstrate. Then we go to object mode again, and now this behaves like an object. You can see it here. You can right click and convert to path. And now you can get rid of this here. So next step, select the object. Go to this tab. And here we can add a thickness to it. We can also, at this point is like a square, the profile. You can give it a little bit. 1 is fine, I think. Shade smooth, maybe 2. It won't be relevant at the end. Select the object again, go to press tab. With L, you can select the different lines. I will select these two. We will separate the objects to be able to animate them in different moments. I will use P here, separate. Then L, L, P again, separate that. And we have 3 individual objects now. Then we will go to 7 top view. Select everything. G to grab. I will put it more in the center. Then Ctrl Alt 0 on the numpad to bring the camera to that view. I will change my resolution. And N, camera to view. This way we can change our camera position there. Now we will assign a material to them. Let's go to shading. Again, top view. Go to the world properties here. Change this to black. Go to render view. And now we can select one, new, Shift A. We will add an emission shader. Select the color, increase the strength. Go to render properties, activate bloom, and connect this here. I will select the other arrow. I will use the same material, but I will make it, I will duplicate this material and change the color. Same with the other. And now we can take care of the animation. We will change this to timeline. Select the first arrow. I will change the end to 100 maybe. Select this arrow, go to this tab. Go to geometry. If you open here, we will change this to 0. and click here. Make sure you're at the beginning here. Then go to the end. Go to change to 1 and click again. Now you have this animation. Now you can move this to change when it starts and when it ends. And we make the same for the others. And there you go. As you can see, the arrows go to the direction in which we draw them. You can make animations with this, and you can also create maybe without the glowing. If you change the film to transparent and you export as PNG with alpha channel, you can then import as an image sequence and use them on top of your videos. We will do just that. We set the film to transparent, go to output properties, select where you want to export them, PNG with alpha, render animation. I will use DaVinci Resolve. I will do this quickly. I know the glowing effect doesn't render at the moment, but there's already a branch of an experimental branch that already has this, so it will be added any moment. But you can still do anything without the glowing. If this is what you want, you can just add it on the video editor. Okay, I hope you have liked this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next video.